To use stretch entity in Solidworks, you want to stretch a particular side of your sketch, and we have our sketch on the screen. So now come to sketch tab and click the down arrow and you select your sketch entity, which is stretch entity. Now, what do you want to stretch? Which side? Let's say I want to stretch this side. Let's see if it's going to work, and stretch from where to where, this point to this side. It can't be straight because we have this line and this line stopping it from being stretched. So to stretch it, you have to select these other lines together, this line. So now you can stretch the line. You see it's been stretched. You can stretch it to any side. Then you can stretch it here. So it has been stretched. So you can also stretch this also by coming here, stretch, click these three lines and then stretch about where from each point you click and you leave your just a click, not holding down. Then you move your mouse around to stretch it to wherever you want to stretch it. Once you are done, click and then you have the dimension be changed. This one is changed from 20 to 84 88.4, and also this one has changed. So now we stretch the sketch. So this is how to stretch your sketch in SolidWorks.